In today's video, you'll discover the 10 essential exercises every man should do to reach their maximum physical potential. Have you ever thought about what it truly means to be strong? We're not just talking about big muscles or an imposing appearance, but about the ability to master your own body and face challenges. Being strong means being able to get up quickly, jump confidently, lift weights safely, maintain balance, and endure whatever comes your way. There's no point in having muscular arms if you can't push something heavy, sprint explosively, or even protect yourself when needed. That's why this video is so important. Each exercise has been selected not just for aesthetics, but also based on science. Throughout the video, you'll learn how to perform them correctly, which muscles they target, and the benefits they can bring to your daily life. They develop functional strength, endurance, balance, and power. Everything you need to master your body, inside and outside the gym. Stay until the end to unlock your maximum potential and discover our special bonus 5 essential tips to incorporate these exercises into your routine and achieve great results. Let's dive in. We'll start with the farmer's walk, a simple but devastatingly effective exercise for strengthening the entire body. It activates muscles like shoulders, traps, forearms, core, and legs, improving strength, endurance, and balance. For men, it's ideal for building a strong grip, correcting posture, and developing stability, essential for avoiding injuries and enhancing performance in daily tasks. Additionally, it increases muscular and cardiovascular endurance, making it a complete option for strength and conditioning. A study in the Journal of Functional Training showed that the farmer's walk could increase grip strength by up to 20% in just 6 weeks. If you're looking for a practical and powerful exercise, it's a must in your routine. To perform the farmer's walk correctly, choose 2 heavy dumbbells or kettlebells, holding one in each hand with your arms extended by your sides. Activate your core by keeping your abs tight and your posture upright, with your shoulders back and chest slightly forward. Walk in a straight line for 20 to 30 meters, keeping the weight balanced on both sides. Ensure your steps are firm and controlled, avoiding abrupt movements or imbalance. When you complete the distance, carefully place the weights on the ground. Repeat 3 times and feel the benefits. The deadlift is one of the most comprehensive and powerful exercises for building strength and physical conditioning. It activates nearly the entire body, working essential muscles like the glutes, hamstrings, quads, back, lower back, and even forearms. It's truly a champion when it comes to building total and functional strength. For men, the deadlift offers specific and transformative benefits. By involving large muscle groups, it stimulates the production of testosterone and growth hormone, which are crucial for gaining muscle mass, burning fat, and boosting energy. Additionally, it's excellent for strengthening the lower back and core, helping to prevent back pain and injuries in everyday life. Another key benefit is that the deadlift improves posture by developing stabilizing muscles that keep the body aligned and confident, not to mention the grip strength, which is essential not only for other exercises but also for daily tasks. It's a challenging movement that requires focus and discipline, but delivers impressive results both physically and mentally. According to a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, the deadlift is one of the most effective exercises for increasing total strength, with participants demonstrating up to a 25% increase after just 8 weeks of practice. To perform the deadlift correctly, start with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed outward. Hold a barbell or dumbbells with your hands shoulder-width apart, keeping your arms straight. Activate your core by keeping your abs tight, and push your hips back as you lower the bar along your legs. Keep your chest up and spine neutral throughout the movement. Lift the weight by pushing your heels into the ground and bringing your hips forward until you're standing upright. Control the movement as you lower the weight again without rounding your lower back. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps are recommended. Next up, let's tackle the pull-up, one of the most comprehensive and challenging upper body exercises. It works the lats, traps, biceps, and core, making it essential for building strength and developing that coveted V-shaped physique. For men, it's an excellent tool for improving functional strength as it requires total control of your body weight. Additionally, the pull-up strengthens grip, enhances posture, and increases muscular endurance, providing both aesthetic and practical benefits in daily life. This exercise is also known for improving shoulder mobility and reducing the risk of injuries, making it an indispensable choice for anyone looking for a complete and safe workout. A study published in the Sports Biomechanics Journal showed that the pull-up significantly increases relative strength, helping with performance in other physical activities. If you want strength, definition, and an athletic physique, the pull-up is a must in your routine. To perform pull-ups correctly, grip a pull-up bar with your hands shoulder-width apart using a pronated grip, palms facing forward. Engage your core to stabilize your body and keep your legs slightly crossed or aligned to avoid unnecessary swinging. Pull your body up by contracting your lats until your chin is above the bar. Avoid using just your arms. Focus on engaging your back muscles during the movement. Lower yourself in a controlled manner, fully extending your arms without relaxing your muscles. If you're a beginner, use resistance bands or practice hangs until you build enough strength. 3 sets to failure are ideal. Start with a goal of 10 reps per set. As you progress, try variations like wide grip pull-ups or adding weight. Can't do a pull-up yet? Start with resistance bands, assisted machines, or simply hanging from the bar to strengthen your shoulders and grip. Moving on to push-ups, a timeless classic and one of the most effective upper body exercises. Simple, yet extremely powerful. Push-ups work the chest, deltoids, triceps, and core, strengthening not just your muscles but also your posture and stability. For men, it's an essential tool for building functional strength and improving performance in daily movements. Push-ups also help increase muscular endurance, promote balance between muscle groups, and even stimulate testosterone production, a crucial hormone for muscle gain and energy. What makes push-ups even more special is their versatility. They can be done anywhere without equipment and adapted to different fitness levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. According to the American Council on Exercise, push-ups are excellent for mimicking functional movements, strengthening the body practically and efficiently. If you're looking for strength, definition, and functionality, push-ups are indispensable in your routine. To perform push-ups correctly, start in a plank position with your hands aligned with your shoulders and your body forming a straight line. Engage your core, keeping your abs tight and your spine neutral. Bend your elbows as you inhale, lowering yourself until your chest is close to the ground, then straighten your arms as you exhale, returning to the starting position. 3 sets of 10-12 reps are ideal for beginners. Friend, if you're finding value in this video and enjoy receiving content about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life, take a second to subscribe to our channel now. And now, the king of compound exercises, the squat, which activates large muscle groups including quads, glutes, hamstrings, and the core, building strength, balance, and stability. For men, it's indispensable for building strong legs and improving performance in sports or daily activities. Did you know that squats also boost the production of testosterone and growth hormone? This is crucial for muscle development and fat loss. A study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research showed that squats could increase lower body strength by up to 20% in just 8 weeks. If you're looking for power and functionality, this exercise is a must in your training. To perform squats correctly, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed outward. Engage your core, keeping your abs tight, and lower your hips as if sitting in a chair, keeping the weight on your heels and your chest up. Return to the starting position by pushing through your heels, focusing on engaging your glutes and leg muscles. 3 sets of 15 reps are ideal to start with. An essential exercise for reaching your maximum physical potential is the plank. Simple in appearance but incredibly effective for strengthening the core and improving posture. It activates the abs, glutes, and stabilizing muscles of the spine, making it essential for preventing lower back pain and improving body alignment. For men, it's an excellent way to develop functional strength and endurance while enhancing performance in sports and other physical activities. Studies in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy show that planks can reduce the risk of spinal injuries and improve muscle control. Holding a plank for 60 seconds can drastically improve your posture and reduce lower back pain. If you're looking for a complete exercise for stability and strength, the plank is indispensable. To perform the plank correctly, start by placing your forearms on the ground with your elbows aligned under your shoulders, and keep your body in a straight line from feet to head. Engage your core by keeping your abs tight, glutes firm, and hips aligned. Hold for 30 seconds, gradually increasing to 1 minute. Extend the time beyond 60 seconds as you progress. Avoid raising your hips. Once mastered, try variations like side planks or dynamic planks to challenge your strength further. Next, the explosive burpee, a true test of strength, endurance, and conditioning. It combines strength and cardio movements, activating nearly all muscle groups, chest, arms, legs, and core, while raising your heart rate for intense calorie burning. For men, burpees improve cardiovascular capacity, enhance agility, and build mental toughness, making it a complete exercise for performance and quick results. Did you know that burpees are used as a physical test in military forces worldwide? Research from the American College of Sports Medicine shows that burpees can burn up to 14 calories per minute, making them one of the most efficient exercises for fat loss. If you're looking for an efficient and challenging workout, burpees are the perfect choice. To perform burpees correctly, start standing, lower into a squat, and place your hands on the ground. Jump your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up, then bring your feet back to the squat position. Finish with an explosive jump upward, extending your arms. Perform 3 sets of 8-10 reps. Now let's talk about an underrated exercise. The glute bridge, essential for strengthening the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. In addition to improving pelvic stability, it reduces back pain and corrects muscle imbalances, making it ideal for men seeking functionality and injury prevention. This exercise also improves circulation in the lower body, promoting muscle recovery and athletic performance. A study published in the International Journal of Sports Medicine revealed that glute bridges could reduce lower back pain by up to 60% with regular practice. If you want strength and stability, include this movement in your routine. To perform the glute bridge correctly, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, hip width apart. Lift your hips while contracting your glutes, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees, and squeeze at the top. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Lunges are highly effective for strengthening legs, glutes, and the core, while improving balance and coordination. They correct muscle imbalances and promote greater flexibility in the hips, making them essential for men seeking functional strength and athletic performance. Additionally, lunges increase muscular endurance, preparing you for explosive movements and daily activities. Studies in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science show that lunges can improve functional balance by up to 30% in just 1 month. For those seeking a balanced and efficient workout, lunges are an excellent choice. To perform lunges correctly, stand upright, take a step forward with one leg, and lower your body until both knees form 90-degree angles. Ensure the front knee does not go past your toes and keep your core engaged to protect your spine. Return to the starting position by pushing through the heel of the front leg, and repeat with the other leg. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps per side. Now it's time to fire up your heart with jumping jacks, also known as star jumps. Simple, yet effective, they combine cardio and strength, working legs, shoulders, and the core, while elevating your heart rate. For men, jumping jacks are a quick and efficient way to burn calories, improve coordination, and release endorphins, helping combat stress. Did you know that 1 minute of jumping jacks can burn up to 10 calories? According to Harvard Medical School, just 15 minutes of jumping jacks can burn up to 150 calories depending on intensity. If you're looking for a practical and efficient exercise, jumping jacks are a valuable addition to your workout. To perform jumping jacks correctly, stand with your feet together and arms relaxed by your sides. Engage your core, keeping your abs tight, and jump to spread your legs shoulder width apart while raising your arms overhead. Quickly return to the starting position by bringing your feet together and lowering your arms. Maintain a steady rhythm, controlling the movement to avoid excessive impact on your joints. Land softly on the balls of your feet and keep your knees slightly bent to absorb impact. Include 2 minutes of jumping jacks in your warm-up or at the end of your workout to maximize results. Now that you know the 10 essential exercises every man should do, here's the bonus we promised you at the start of the video, composed of 5 tips to incorporate the exercises into your routine. First, start with a simplified and progressive routine. If you're just starting or returning to training, select 3 to 5 exercises from the list to include in your initial workouts. For example, start with push-ups, squats, and planks. Focus on proper form and perform 2 to 3 sets of each exercise, with repetitions suited to your fitness level. As you gain confidence and strength, add more exercises and increase the intensity or number of sets. Second, establish specific days for each type of exercise. Divide your week into sessions focusing on different muscle groups and goals. For example, Monday, upper body strength exercises like pull-ups and push-ups. Wednesday, legs and glutes with squats, lunges, and glute bridges. Friday, cardiovascular and endurance exercises like burpees and jumping jacks. This approach prevents overtraining and ensures proper recovery between sessions. Third, integrate the exercises into your lifestyle. Take advantage of daily moments to fit in these movements. For example, do jumping jacks as a warm-up before a run or walk. Incorporate the farmer's walk by carrying weights during active breaks at work or household tasks. Adapting exercises to your daily activities helps maintain consistency and saves time. Fourth, set clear and measurable goals. Define specific objectives for each exercise. For example, increase plank hold time to 1 minute or complete 3 full sets of unassisted pull-ups. Tracking your progress using a journal or workout app can help keep you motivated and ensure steady improvements over time. Fifth, use circuit training to optimize your time. If you're short on time, combine exercises into a high-intensity circuit. Choose 5 or 6 exercises like burpees, squats, push-ups, pull-ups, glute bridges, and jumping jacks. Perform each exercise for 30-40 seconds, with 10-15 seconds of rest between them. Repeat the circuit 2 or 3 times. This approach trains both strength and cardio simultaneously, saving time and maximizing results. Friend, let us know in the comments. Which of these exercises do you already practice? And which one will be the next to join your routine? Share your experience, it will be interesting to know, and it could inspire others in their fitness journeys. Subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this content and want to receive more videos about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life. Show your support by liking this video and sharing it with your friends. We also recommend checking out our other videos. The links are on the screen. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and thank you.